Every day, radio technicians grapple with maintaining seamless communication in the most challenging environments, from remote construction sites to busy airport tarmacs. The need for accuracy, portability, and resilience in their instruments is non-negotiable. The CX300 ComXpert, a breakthrough communications service monitor, embodies the solution they've been waiting for. Imagine Alex, an experienced field radio technician for a metropolitan emergency response team. Her days are unpredictable. She moves from a city's hustle to the outskirts, where disaster response units rely on radio for life-saving coordination. Previously, Alex hauled heavy, sensitive equipment into the field, often worrying about fragile connectors and unreliable battery life. But the CX300 changes all that. Designed with a ruggedized, compact form factor, the CX300 slips easily alongside Alex's other critical gear. Its casing withstands accidental drops and the harshest weather conditions. Rain or dust are no longer concerns. When a call comes in from a construction site where radios are acting up, Alex simply grabs her CX300 and heads out, confident it can handle whatever she encounters. On site, Alex powers up the CX300. The interface is intuitive, allowing her to quickly select from a range of tests: signal strength, modulation alignment, audio clarity checks, and even encryption verification, using a few straightforward menus. What once took multiple instruments and extensive time is streamlined into a single efficient process with lab-grade accuracy. As she connects the monitor to the malfunctioning radio, the CX300's comprehensive diagnostics instantly pinpoint an antenna mismatch. Alex swiftly calibrates the device, reruns the test, and sees all green indicators. The problem is solved, and the radio is back in service, critical communications restored to the site. The rugged CX300 never faltered, even on uneven ground and under a light drizzle. Word spreads quickly. Other teams notice Alex's efficiency and reliability have improved. The CX300 not only enhances her work, it transforms expectations for what a service monitor should be. Maintenance downtime is minimized, field teams stay connected, and emergencies are handled more safely and swiftly. Every feature of the CX300 supports radio professionals like Alex. The comprehensive toolset covers analog and digital radios, advanced troubleshooting, and future-proofed connectivity, all delivered in a portable, tough device. It's not simply an instrument. It's a partner in field communications, empowering technicians to focus on their mission, not their gear. With the CX300 at their side, radio specialists operate with a new level of confidence. They know that wherever they go, whether up a mountain, in a bustling city, or along a dusty roadside, the CX300 will rise to the occasion, redefining what's possible in radio communications testing.